Which question? अभी तो कौन पूछ रहा था क्वेश्चन? Okay. Yesterday I had given one question. Okay. One question yesterday I had given. The class interval was given as a 500 to 520, 520 to 540, 540 to 560, 560 to 580, 580 to 600, and 600 to 620. Okay, and respective frequencies were given as 14, 9, 5, 4, 3, 5. Okay, and which method you want? Which method? Assumed mean. Assumed mean. Okay, so the first step I have told to make a total. Clear? What is the total? 40. Okay, the next step is draw a column of xi. Xi is the midpoint of class interval. Okay, so 500 and 520 has a difference of 20. 20 का हाफ 10, तो लोअर लिमिट में 10 जोड़ लीजिए. 510 इसमें 10 जोड़िए. 530. What about this? 550. What about this? Then and then. Okay, now you can see the calculations are very lengthy, so we can use assumed mean method. Okay, to find assumed mean, take any one of this interval as a middle one, that is a. A means assumed mean. Okay, we can take this also and we can take this also. Okay, the next step is to find deviation, that is di, which is given by xi minus a. So 510 minus 550 is minus 40. 530 minus 550, and this becomes 0. Now 570 minus 550, 20. This 40 and okay. Then we can move for the next column, that is fi into di. Okay, so 14 into minus 40, 9 into minus 20, 0 into 5, 4 into 20, okay. Then we have to make a sum of these. Okay, if you see these two are the negative, so they will be added in 1, that is 0, minus 7, 40, and these two are positive, 500. So if you add these two, we will get minus 2, 40. Okay, then to find out the mean, we use the formula assumed mean plus sum of fi di upon sum of. Okay, the assumed mean is 550 plus minus fi di is minus 240 and fi is 40. So this becomes 6 times. So 550 plus minus minus 6, that is 550 44. Okay, now today we will see how to find the mode of a grouped data. Okay, in the previous class we have learned about the mode. Mode means that observation whose frequency is maximum. But that was the case of ungrouped data, not grouped data. Today we will see how we can find the mode of a grouped data. Okay, to find a mode, first step is find the model class. What is the model class? That observation whose frequency is maximum. Clear? That observation whose frequency will be maximum, that entire class interval will be taken as a model class. Okay, and then we will use the formula for mode. Mode is equal to lower limit of that model class plus f of 0 minus f of 1 and 0 ले लो, 1 and 0, then 2 times of f1 minus f0 minus f2 into height. Okay, where this f1 is the frequency of that model class. f0 means frequency of the previous model class, previous one. f2 times of f1, f2, f0 and f2. f2 is the lower frequency, that just below the model class. Okay, let us discuss an example. Let me discuss it with an example. See example number 5. A survey concluded that conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. The family size is given and the number of families is given. Okay, family size 1 to 3, then 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9 and 9 to 11, and number of frequencies are 7, 8, 2, 2 and 1. Okay, now nothing we have to do, we have to just look for the model class. As I have told, model class is that class whose frequency is maximum. So maximum frequency is 8. So this is our model class. We will represent there in the box only. Okay, model class we have got. Now second step, to find the mode. So mode becomes lower limit of that model class 3 plus frequency of that class is 8, then previous frequency just above that is 7. f21, 2 times of f1 means 2 times of 8 minus f of 0, 0 means previous class, that is 7, and 2 is the just below that is minus 2 into height is 3 5 minus 3, that is 2. Height is here, upper limit minus lower limit. Clear? So this becomes 3 plus 8 minus 7, 1, 2 into 8 minus 7 and 2, 9 into 2, that is 3 plus 2 ones are 2 and 16 minus 9, 7. 7 3s are 21 and 2, 23 by 7. This is the mode. Okay.